Do you want to get free crypto just by walking? Then this video is for you. My name is Michael and I love testing different free ways to make some extra money and also to earn crypto. And recently I came across a brand new opportunity to earn crypto just by walking. And therefore I wanted to record this video to show you this update and show you exactly how to get started and also talk about the potential value of that so you know what to expect. So to potentially earn crypto by walking, you need to earn a specific app that I will show you inside in just a few seconds. It is called Sweatcoin and I have several videos about that. And let me just reveal that so far, one of the weakest points of this app that is a step counter also, so you can count your steps and when you walk and run and things like this. But one of the weakest points, as I have mentioned in other videos also, is that it was very difficult to find good reward options, and you could get paid in PayPal, but it was a little bit tricky and required some extra steps. I have a video about that. I will leave a link in the top corner. But other than that, it was difficult for regular users to find good reward options in many cases. And then recently announced that they are going to start paying us, if we choose to, in a new crypto, their own crypto called Sweat. And it will be an option that's available in a lot of different countries. Swetcoin itself is available in around 150 countries. And they will of course also make this available in as many countries as possible as far as I know. But there might be some countries where it's not an option if you live in a country where there are certain legal restrictions when it comes to crypto. I cannot really advise about that. But overall, it is an option that will be available in a lot of different countries. And what I really like is that I'll show you actually how to do it inside the app, but I just want to show you this, that when it will be reached, it has not become an option yet. Right now, they're just allowing you to create a Sweat wallet inside the Sweatcoin app. And then once they will generate this, or they will have this event where you see the token generation event. And you can also see they say that the token generation event can be the largest crypto distribution in history. And you will get one Sweat per Swetcoin that you have in your wallet, and you will not lose your Swetcoin balance, which is really, really cool in my opinion. But let me just now log into the app so you can also see how to actually do this and make sure that you will get this Sweat when it will become available. Because it is a good idea to set it up as soon as possible so you're sure that you will not miss it when it will be launched later this summer. So I have now logged into Sweatcoin app and pulled it up on the screen so you can see. And right now I'm in my wallet. You can see at the bottom, that is where you choose. And this is where you need to go to make sure to set it up to receive crypto. You can see right now I have it. You can see you are walking for crypto. That means that I already have connected to do that. So if you are not and you just go to the wallet, you will see the option and then you just click to set it up. It takes, less than a minute, but I can also now show you, you can learn more about it inside the app. It explains more, which is really great. You can see here it also says that I have this number of Sweat and it will launch this summer and I have opted in, and the more I then collect, the more of this Sweat crypto coin I will also get. And you can see if you click to read more about how it actually works, you see that it says this Sweat is a new cryptocurrency that you create with your movement. That means, like, usually how it is inside Sweatcoin is that every time you walk, it will count your steps and then you will earn coins. So far it has been able to be exchanged for different rewards, and in some cases even PayPal. That took a little bit more effort, but that's how it then does. Now you can then earn cryptocurrency, and you can see that it's going to be a real cryptocurrency. That's a goal where you can exchange it, trade it, or send it like you just can with any other cryptocurrency. So it's going to have a real value actually. And as you can see, we get one Sweat cryptocurrency for one Sweatcoin. So in my case right now, I would get these 3,515 Sweatcoins or Sweat, because that's how many Sweatcoins I have right now. And of course, the more active you are, and depending on your membership level also, then you can earn more, potentially up to 100 Sweatcoins per day if you have the premium membership and walk a lot. That will take quite a lot of effort. Let me just reveal that right away. And you can see then what the plan is once it's launched. And as it is with most cryptocurrency, at the beginning it is easier to earn a cryptocurrency. It was also, as they explain how it was with Bitcoin at first, it was a lot easier to mine it, that you can very quickly mine and earn a lot of Bitcoin. And here also it will get harder to mint this sweat over time. And you can see as it is when it first launched, you would need to then walk 1,000 steps to earn 1 sweat, but in a year you would need to walk 1,500 steps to earn 1 Swetcoin. So it will be harder, it will require you to move more eventually. So that's why if you want to do this, then you do need to, in my opinion anyways, get in as soon as possible. That's one of the in general things about crypto. If you get in at the beginning of certain projects, it often gives some advantages. Of course, there's no guarantee how it will then go, but it does make it a lot easier to earn and then potentially become worth a lot more in the future because you've been in as one of the first people. But let's talk a little bit more about this. What will the value then be of this Sweat cryptocurrency? So I know many people will then ask, what will the value of this cryptocurrency be? Because of course that's important to know. But one thing you have to be aware of is that right now I've seen some guesses online saying like, oh, it will be worth 2 cents, 5 cents, 10 cents. No, all this is just guesses because it has not been launched yet and it cannot really be 100% predicted. And a lot of people are just basically guessing. Anyone that claims that they know the exact value, they do not, I can tell you. Because if you just even go to the FAQ section of Swetcoin itself, or Sweat Economy as they call there, how much will the token cost? They say very clear themselves, this is not something we can decide. The purpose is to make it open to be used by many people in many different ways. And then an open market means that they do not determine the price of the token. So they themselves say now they do not know what the value will be, whether it will be 1 cent, 5 cents, 10 cents, 50 cents, or maybe eventually several dollars. So who knows? That's how it is with a cryptocurrency like this. We have to wait and see. So if you hear some people saying like, oh, it will be $1, 50 cents, whatever, they will not really know for sure. But in my opinion anyways, I am using Swetcoin anyways every single day. I have it installed on my phone, so I just earn automatically. I don't have to do anything because it just counts my steps whenever I'm moving. So why not earn this cryptocurrency? It might turn out to be worth a lot and a great cryptocurrency with a lot of different ways to be used, or it might turn out not to be worth a lot. But I think that Swetcoin has a lot of users and it is free to use depending on the membership. But in general, then why not just try to get this also? That's my opinion anyways, because I thought one of the weakest points of it before was the payout options. So I'm happy that they are trying to introduce this and I do hope it succeeds, but of course I cannot guarantee that, and I just want to make that clear so you know what to expect. So to sum it all up, Swetcoin is going to introduce this Sweat this summer of 2022. I think it's very interesting. I have opted in to actually get paid that way, and then we'll have to wait and see how it goes. You just need to do it with the right expectations. If you are looking for crypto that right here and right now has a value that you know exactly what will be, then you should not go for this option. Then you can, for example, use options to earn Bitcoin or Ethereum instead. I have videos that show about free ways you can do that. I will leave a link below. But if you're interested in a new free way to earn a new crypto, then it's very good to know that Swetcoin is actually offering this option now. And then I would recommend you to check that out. If you're not yet a member, I will leave a link below so you can join Swetcoin easily if you decide it's for you. But no matter what, I hope this video helped you, and if it did, then make sure to hit the like button, and also don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel and hit the notification bell so you won't miss out next time I release a video with tips and tricks about different ways to make some extra money on the side online.